In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist in YouTube from start to finish so that you can gain more views and watch time fast and easy. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Graham here and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I help break down various areas of an online business into bite-sized chunks to assist in your path to online success. If you are new to my channel and you like any of the content that is being shared, please take some time to like the video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any releases from me in the future. Before moving on, I'd just like to give a shout out and say thank you for the support and comments on each of my videos. The comments chosen for this week's shout out go to World of Jolly, Assassin Gaming and Alicia from the Savvy Corner. Thank you for your support and your comments. If you would like a shout out on one of my videos, don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments down below. So with that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Having clear and organized YouTube playlists can easily help your channel look more professional. It gives greater accessibility for your viewers to your content and also allows the opportunity for your viewers to binge watch your content, helping you increase those views and watch time. Not only that, but playlists help rank your content in YouTube search, which helps brings in more views, subscribers and watch time with very little work on your part. In order to create your playlist, go into your YouTube Studio dashboard, then move into playlists over here. This is where you make, modify and manage all your playlists. In order to create a playlist, you move to new playlist over here. Once selecting that, you need to give your playlist a title. Now don't give your playlist just a generic title of playlist 1, 2 or 3, but think of this as a title for a video and use the same thought and keyword considerations that you would use in any of your videos and place that in the title of your playlist. I have placed a title here saying how to create a YouTube channel in 2021. As you can see, there's a few keywords here on how to create a YouTube channel in 2021, etc. I'm essentially trying to use keyword and keyword optimization to try and help me rank this playlist in YouTube search. Once placing in a title, you've got the option here of selecting public, unlisted or private for your playlist. Same setup that you would have seen when uploading a video. I'm going to choose public. Once adding in your title and selecting public, private or unlisted, hit create. The next window you'll see is showing the contents of your playlist. Here you're able to edit the title of the playlist should you wish to change it at a later point. It currently shows that there's no videos selected. It shows that you've selected a public viewership for the playlist. What you can do also is share your playlist. So your playlist has its own URL similar to that of a video. And you can share this playlist so that people can watch all the content within that playlist. You'll then see these three dots over here. You'll then be able to select that and give you the options of adding videos, collaborate, playlist settings, or delete playlist. So to add videos to your playlist, you can select this option here. It'll then give you this option where you can search for the video, you can add in a URL, or you can choose your YouTube videos. So I'm going to go here and choose YouTube videos. You then click and select the videos you would like to add to the playlist. So I'll click this one, and that one, and then say add videos. Now you can see that the 3 videos I selected are within my playlist, and you'll notice that the very first video thumbnail is what shows on the playlist thumbnail. So if you want to change it around and change the thumbnail for that, you just maneuver each video around and then select the one that you want at the top, and that thumbnail will then show as your playlist thumbnail. Another way to add videos to your playlist, if you in your video section within your YouTube Studio, what you'll do is just select any one of the videos or multiple videos and go add to playlist over here, hit the drop down arrow and then select the particular playlist that you want to include it into. So you would choose the one, however many you want, and then you say save. Once added in videos, if you go to the 3 dots again, you'll see that there's another option say add to all. If you select this, you can add these videos to multiple other playlists. If you go into the collaborate section here, what this means is if you're collaborating with other people or other channels, they're able to add videos into this playlist as well. So if that is the case, you would just select this and then it gives you the option of choosing who you're collaborating with. Then moving into playlist settings over here, you'll see you've got the option of allow embedding. You can then embed this playlist in any blog or website you would like to. The next option says add new videos to the top of the playlist. So as you're releasing more videos that will come into this playlist, the very recent one will be at the top of the playlist. You can either choose it on or off. If you go into the advanced settings, You'll then see this window and you'll notice some of the features you've already seen in the first few options we covered. So you've got here your privacy, whether it be public, unlisted or private. Then what you've got is an additional area here saying ordering. So you can manually order the playlist videos, however we did it before where I could shift one video on top of the other, etc. Or you can select here via date added, most popular, or even your date published, and reorder your playlist according to those options. You'll also see it says add new videos to the top of the playlist or allow embedding. These are the items that you saw in the previous window. The other key option here that it provides you is this one here, where it allows you to set this playlist as an official series. So if you've got content that you would like as a part 1, part 2, part 3, or episode 1, 2, 3, whatever the case may be, and you want to create a series, you can then place those videos in this playlist, select this option to show that it's an official series. However, if you hover over this information here, you'll notice that it says there a video cannot appear in more than one series playlist. So you're able to have multiple videos in multiple playlists. But if it's a series playlist, you can only have the one video in the one series playlist. You can't have the same video in multiple series playlists. So keep that in mind when choosing this option. Moving back to your playlist, the last option here is to delete the playlist if you wish to. The next key area of this playlist is adding a playlist description. Again, think of it like the description you would place in your videos. Keyword optimized so that you're able to rank this playlist as well as you would rank any other video of yours. So for example, as you can see, I've placed a very simple description in here. Want to learn how to create a YouTube channel? This playlist is the ultimate resource to help you create and optimize your very own YouTube channel. The main keyword that I'm going for in this description is how to create a YouTube channel. Once you've placed in the description, you then say save. Using playlists is a great way to curate similar content that you can provide to your viewers and help your viewers binge watch your content throughout these playlists. This will improve your views, your watch time, and ultimately gain subscribers via the ranking within the search results. This is often one of the most overlooked areas of a YouTube channel and is one of your key ingredients for your optimization of your channel. So there you have it, ladies and gents, how to create your playlist on your YouTube channel. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button as it'll really help out this channel. Also, if you'd like to see further videos, tips, tricks, and strategies, don't forget to check out this video. And one last thing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content I release in the future. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day. We'll chat soon. Cheers.